The 14th and final skill in the Admin Skills Kit is project management, and it is here that you plan and oversee Salesforce projects to ensure they're completed on time and within budget. Now, project management skills on your resume may appear along the lines of that you've planned and managed resources to deliver a certain number of Salesforce projects. For example, a big Salesforce enhancement or implementation. An example of an enhancement that I can think of would be helping an org convert from Classic to Lightning. That would be a larger enhancement or implementation. So if you've done that, be sure and represent that on your resume. Other examples would be managed, delivered, or assisted with a certain number of enhancement releases on time in a certain amount of time frame, for example, in the year 2021. And then finally, you project managed a Salesforce project which you delivered on time, on budget, and resulted in either increased sales or decreased costs or increased productivity, et cetera, et cetera. Employers may be exemplifying project management skills on their job descriptions by stating things such as looking for individuals that act as their primary day-to-day point of contact for all operational aspects of Salesforce projects, and those that drive implementations of high-quality solutions through building strong stakeholder relationships and facilitating regular status meetings, and as well monitoring and managing project scope, budget, and schedule to ensure project stays on track. So project management, those individuals tend to not be so much hands-on inside of Salesforce, but need to understand the platform, but are more tracking with deliverables, deadlines, budget, etc. And you'll see that exemplified in these different job description bullet points. And then finally, we've got several different resources available in the Resources tab inside this 14th and final skill, such as strengthening your project management skills as a Salesforce administrator, which is a blog post released not too long ago, as well as Learn Project Management Essentials from Walden University. This is a Trailhead Trail that includes several different modules, about a 1 hour, 20-minute completion time. Several other resources here, such as Project Management Plan Lite. This is a module that contains templates that you can use as well, so you might find that helpful. And then more here under resources. So that is the Skills Kit, 14 essential skills to enhancing your own Salesforce career. If you found this series helpful, please leave a comment for what you'd like to learn about Salesforce, and I just might make it my next video. And until then, I'll see you in the cloud.